So, you've registered on the jewelmodel.net platform. What's next? How do you order jewelry 3D models? Where to start and how to use the interface? Well, we'll show you everything in this short video. You can start a new project by clicking this Add New Order button at the top of the screen. In the opened window, you will see a field where you need to enter the order name and click Save. Just like in an ordinary messenger, you can type us your message to describe the details of the project. To upload your sketch or reference image, simply click this paperclip icon, and again, it is same as in the ordinary messenger. You will receive notifications for all new messages in the chat to your email. However, you also have the option to activate notifications on Telegram. The button is located in the top right corner. To see additional information about the project, click on the title at the top. Write to us in your native language. We will understand you. Similarly, you can translate our messages by clicking on the icon on the right. The built-in 3D viewer allows you to explore the model from all sides, and you don't even need special software. You can download 3D model or share the preview with your colleague or client. There are more control options under this button in the left corner. You can access your profile settings and the summary table with all you orders. I guess this is all you need to know to start working with our team of professional jewelry 3D designers. I wish you all the best and see you at jewelmodel.net.